Good morning, on and all. Wish you happy Children's Day to all my dear students. Today in this class, we are going to learn about the topic is reduction. The topic is reduction. What is meant by reduction? Gain of hydrogen atom and loss of oxygen atom. This is known as reduction. In that reduction 2 reduction to hydrocarbons. Reduction to hydrocarbons. First one is Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. What is mean by Clemmensen reduction? The carbonyl group of the aldehydes and ketones are reduced to methylene group when they treated with zinc amalgam and in the presence of concentrated HCl and 4 mole of nascent hydrogen. Clear? Okay. How we can prepare the nascent hydrogen? When zinc zinc is on reaction with the concentrated HCl concentrated HCl to form zinc chloride to form zinc chloride and 2 mole of nascent hydrogen to form 2 mole of nascent hydrogen. And when mercury is on reaction with the concentrated HCl to form mercury chloride and 2 mole of nascent hydrogen. 2 mole of nascent hydrogen. For example, when acetaldehyde when acetaldehyde when acetaldehyde is on is on reaction with is on reaction with zinc amalgam, that is ZnHg, that is ZnHg, in the presence of concentrated HCl, in the presence of concentrated HCl and the 4 mole of nascent hydrogen, 4 mole of nascent hydrogen to form to form ethane, to form ethane. See, this reaction is known as Clemmensen reduction. In this reaction, the carbonyl group, in this reaction, the carbonyl group of acetaldehyde, that is C double bond O, is converted to the methylene group, converted to methylene group, that is CH2, that is CH2, to form an ethane. To form an ethane, that is nothing but hydrocarbons. That's why the reduction to hydrocarbons. This is known as Clemmensen reduction. Clear? And the next example is acetone. Next example is acetone. When acetone is on reaction with when acetone is on reaction with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl, in the presence of concentrated HCl and in the presence of 4 mole of nascent hydrogen to form what we can from here, we will convert this carbonyl group to the methylene group, that is we write like this, This is known as propane to form propane. Okay. Okay. Next reduction is Wolff kishner reduction. Wolff kishner reduction. What is mean by Wolff kishner reduction? Acetaldehyde, for example, when acetaldehyde is on reaction with the hydrazine is on reaction with the hydrazine, there will be a removal of water molecule. There will be a removal of water molecule to form a acetaldehyde hydrazone. Here we will remove the water molecule. We should write double bond and NH2. Okay, this is known as acetaldehyde acetaldehyde hydrazone. Okay, clear? This acetaldehyde hydrazone is on heated with potassium hydroxide and ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol to form a compound known as ethane. To form a compound known as ethane and nitrogen gas. Ethane and nitrogen gas. Okay, clear? Next example is when acetophenone, acetophenone, when acetophenone is on reaction with the hydrazine, is on reaction with the hydrazine, there will be a elimination of there will be a elimination of water molecule. There will be a elimination of water molecule to form a compound known as to form a compound known as acetophenone hydrazone. Acetophenone hydrazone. From acetophenone, we should remove the oxygen atom. In hydrazine, we should remove the hydrogen molecule. Okay, listen here. See here. Double bond N NH2 N NH2 for carbon atom. There will be a CH3 will be attached. This compound is known as acetophenone acetophenone hydrazone. Acetophenone hydrazone. Clear? This acetophenone hydrazone is react with potassium hydroxide and ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, okay, is heated with potassium hydroxide and ethylene glycol to form ethyl benzene to form ethyl benzene and nitrogen gas. Ethyl benzene. This is known as ethyl benzene. Okay. See, listen here once. When aldehydes and ketones are heated with the mixture of hydrazine in the presence of potassium hydroxide and ethylene glycol to convert the carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones to methylene group to methylene group is known as Wolff kishner reduction. Wolff kishner reduction. Clear? Thank you.